Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Focus tire. First, gather your essential tools: a jack, a lug wrench, and your spare tire. Always ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake. For added safety, place wheel chocks behind the wheel diagonally opposite the one you're changing. This preparation is crucial for a safe and efficient tire change. Now, before you lift the car, use your lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise about 1/2 to 1 full turn, just enough to break them free. Next, position the jack correctly under the vehicle's frame, near the flat tire. Carefully raise the car until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, ensuring stability throughout the process. With the car lifted, you can now fully remove the lug nuts and carefully take off the flat tire. Set it aside. Next, mount the spare tire onto the wheel studs, making sure it's properly aligned. Once the spare is in place, hand tighten the lug nuts back onto the studs. This ensures the tire is seated correctly before the vehicle is lowered. Finally, lower the vehicle completely to the ground. Once down, use your lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern for even pressure. Store the flat tire and all your tools securely in your vehicle. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Also, get your flat tire repaired as soon as possible and check the pressure of your spare tire.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.